Good day, everybody. So today, well, I went and picked it up today. I ordered it several days ago, but there's a long story behind that, and I tried to get it through Canadian Tire, and I've been waiting for them to contact me back to say that the order was ready to come pick up, but they're taking upwards of 5 days with no guarantee, even after you pay for it, that they'll have the item there for you, which is totally ridiculous, because if you pay for it, it should be there for you to pick up, but they don't guarantee it. So I just went out to the store, picked it up, and canceled the online order. So this is what it is. It is a fire bowl, because right now there's all fires are banned here, and open pit, chimney pit, whatever you want to call them, all wood brain fires are banned. So for camping and that, this is great. This is a propane device to have a fire, and it's so simple. You just hook up the hose from your tank. You got a 10-foot hose comes with it, and it's just the same as lighting a barbecue. You just turn the knob and click. I'm gonna let the gas through a little bit, because this is only the second time I've had this sucker on, and well, I can certainly smell the gas now, which is not good, but whoa. Okay, so there it is. Now that's up on high, and it can turn down to low too, and it still throws off quite a bit of heat, and it's something around, they said 54 or 58,000 BTUs, so that's quite a bit of heat. And it comes with the pumice stone. I'm going to order a log set and put on top of that to make it look like more realistic, like type of thing, like a fire. So I think that's neat. Man, it is warming the place up right here right now. And there's a little bean inside the door looking at it. I just didn't want her out here while I was lighting this up. So, and it also comes with a stand to put your tank on, which is rather cool, because I've never had a tank stand before, and keep the tank off the ground, and it keeps it level for like when you're out at a camping site or wherever. So yeah, so it is pretty cool. So this was regularly, they say it's 169, and it was on for 129. So most places have it for around 139 or 149 at Home Depot. I think Kent wanted 139 for it. So it just varies in price. Most of them are flat black. This one has like that brushed finish to it, so it's kind of nice, you know. It's a little bit different. That's the only reason I bought that Canadian Tire, because it has the brushed finish, and it was $10 cheaper, and that translates into almost $30 when you put the tax and everything onto it. So why the heck not? But this would be great to take. You just took the top, put it back down, carry it away with you, and it's very light, and you can have a campfire anytime you want. And from what I've been reading, it is pretty efficient on fuel, as efficient or better than the barbecue. So of course you don't need it up on high all the time. Well, you can put it up if it gets really cold, if you're sitting outside. If you want to roast the marshmallowies, I would say not on high, because you'll just burn them to the heckers. But just put it down on low, and you'll have some nice heat way up top here. And I'm 2 or 3 feet up, and with my hand here, that is, and I can feel the heat coming off that thing. It's really, really rocking the heat here. And so yeah, I mean, it's for outdoor use only, of course. It says do not use on a wood deck or combustible surface such as grass, leaves, mulch, blah blah blah. I just have it here right now to test it. I'm not going to be using it here. I'm going to be using it down in my patio place by my trailer, which I have down there, and it is of the concrete 2x2 bricks. So that'll be safe, and it's away from everything. So yeah, so man, that's a beautiful flame. Beautiful flame. Yep, beautiful. And I think it's going to look really cool once I get some logs to put in there. Don't you guys think? Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And this is Fredo here at the Canadian Daily, and I will talk to you guys again very shortly. Have a great one. Stay safe. Keep isolated if you have to. Don't let that COVID take over. Talk to you soon.